Welcome back to Two Proud Principals. We are so excited today to celebrate with you what is happening at Pine Tree Primary. We received a letter a couple days ago from Solution Tree and All Things PLC naming us a
Model PLC campus. So we are very excited about this. You can find information about us. You can see in the screenshot on the screen, you can find information about us if you go to All Things PLC. And then if you say see the evidence and you do a PLC locator, you can find information about Pine Tree Primary. And so as you look through the website, it will give you our story. We're one of 200 campuses in U.S. and Canada that has received this model PLC so far. And
you want to talk about the tabs a little bit with them?
Yes. So we have our PLC story, and it gives kind of our history of how we worked together to get to here. And it has a lot of good information about the strategies and things that we did to help make us a model PLC, as well as we go into details. If you click on PLC practices, it goes into details about
our work,
how we focus on things on our campus, and how our teams of teachers and groups work together in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 to meet the needs of our students. And then also you can see our achievement data. We have 3 years of data that shows the growth that we've made over the 3 years putting this into place. And then you can see awards that our campuses have won, as well as resources. Here you can get examples of some of the things that we put into place. And then you can also contact us directly to proudprincipals@gmail.com, and we can give you more information or templates on ways that you can get started.
Also, if you want to look, Hallsville North Elementary is also one of the campuses that Ruthie and I were also privileged to work in, that is also a model PLC campus. So she's going to go to that, and there's Hallsville right there. And if you look at North Elementary, that is also a model PLC campus that she and I worked in. She was a third grade teacher, and I was a principal at the time that we became a model PLC. So those are two of our experiences. But what we want to say to you is we want to motivate you and push you to become a professional learning community. What we find is it does take about 3 years, but just start with the 3 big ideas of what a professional learning community is, and there's 4 questions, and the 4 questions are: what do we want students to learn? How do we know they're going to learn it? What do we do if they don't learn it? How are we going to intervene? And what do we do if they already know it? How are we going to enrich? And then the 3 big ideas of a professional learning community are: we're going to focus on student learning, not instruction. Focus on student learning. We're going to be a committed culture, and then we're going to focus on results. So results guide our instruction and everything we do. So collaboration, focus on learning, and focus on results. So what's your advice for beginning the professional learning community journey?
I remember Ken Williams from Solution Tree spoke to us, and he talked about all the answers are in the room. Within your campus, you have a lot of highly educated, smart people that have a lot of knowledge to bring to the table. So getting everybody together and talking it out and hashing things out, it can be uncomfortable. It can be hard at times, but you just do it. Yes. And you just learn it by doing it and doing it, because all of the answers are in the room. Everything that you need to become a very successful campus, you have. So we just want you to start doing it.
Yes. Do not wait until you think you know everything about professional learning communities and RTI. Yes, it's important to go to training. Solution Tree hosts training all year long. So it is important to be trained and to read, but don't wait till you think you're an expert in providing the opportunity for your campus to become a collaborative culture. Just jump in, learn by doing.
All right.
We're here to help.
So we're excited. We're celebrating with staff today.
Yes, we're going to
eat cookie cake, have a big party, play some games, because we really want. Took every single person on our campus. So we're excited to celebrate with that.
Yes, and the staff came a long way in the last 3 years, and our students have shown success. And we truly are a campus that focuses on student learning, and we're going to celebrate, because part of being a professional learning community is you celebrate small successes and big successes.
Yes. So we'd like to thank Solution Tree and our staff and everyone else, and we'll catch y'all next week.
Okay.
At Two Proud Principals. Have a good week.